Lunch mo na.
Yes.
Kasi gutom na kami.
Ang much anticipated lunch. Tapos, hotel na. Tapos mag-promo na kami
Tapos
mamaya.
snack.
Snack na agad.
Snack.
Yan. Lang. Yeah! Tawa lang.
Kasama kong nagte-travel of course ang parents ko, si mommy, si daddy. Pero this time, nakasama ko ang kapatid kong panganay, si Ate Cheng.
Sige po, ingat po.
Yung kasi yung first surgery. Subo na.
Sir, this is Zaira. Mr. Sami.
This is the first time I met Miss Sarah. Impression to me is Zhou Yiyong in Hong Kong is the very popular singer. Very nice, very pretty lady.
Yes, this is the first time I meet her, and before I just read from her from the poster or other news. And to me, this morning I see her. She is very young, energetic, and pretty.
Jimmy Martinez, Mark Bautista, Mr. Stanley Ho, Felix. Sila yung nagpadala sa atin dito.
Thank you for having us. Cheers! Welcome to La Cucina, and I hope you enjoy it.
Cheers! Thank you for the warm welcome.
It's my honor. Nung nabalitaan ko nga po, parang natuwa ako kasi I've been away for a while, and I'm really excited having you here, and I hope it gives you an impression that this will not be the first, and it's only the beginning, and I hope you will come back and bring your friends and enjoy the classic Italian way of cooking.
So we're having lunch here in La Cucina Italia. It's a different presence when they are in the room. It's like you just see them on TV, you see them on movies, but when you're in the same room with them, it's different because they're so big, but still they are approachable and they are down to earth.
Finished the group Prime Credit, and just really had a warm welcome for us, so that's been fantastic. Hong Kong itself, I mean, even the Chinese producers that we've had have been amazing, and the reception has been really, really warm.
It's not. Kuya Mark!
Layo, ano ba yun?
Yeah, ganyan. 1.